All right, I haven't updated my YouTube in a while, so good. So, as you guys know, we blew the head gasket. We did pull the head off in my garage. While the head was off, we did upgrade to the 4-piston TR2 cams. These are the TR2s. We also did the supertech valve springs and titanium retainers. We just went through the head, did the refreshed the valve seals, did a valve job, decked the head, resurfaced it. Just, you know what I mean? We went through it, tried to make sure we got nice, good clamping force. We did change the gasket. We went with a Montoon. They have an integrated compression ring. It's just like a fire ring around the bores. What else? This is a multi-layer steel gasket. Oh yeah, we upgraded the nuts. So I was running the 625 head studs previously, but I was running it with the regular nuts. The regular nuts are like a half inch standard, and I upgraded to I think it's a 14 millimeter. And then we upped the torque spec. So the half-inch standard ones get torqued to a 80 foot-pounds, and these we torque to 110 foot-pounds. So hopefully it'll fucking clamp that motherfucker down. Not too much, not too little. Hopefully it'll be good. Keep it from lifting. We won't blow this gasket this time, because this motherfucking job was, God, shop quoted me $2,000 just for the head gasket job. No machine work, nothing. So I see why it's so expensive. So, but we got it all good. I made sure we got our silicone on the little vacuum pump housing, the bottom half of it. Cam caps are torqued to 106 inch-pounds. I hope that's correct. Anybody watched this video and knows that thinks that's incorrect, let me know. Okay, today we are gonna do all the timing shit. So we're gonna clean our surfaces, make sure everything is nice and clean, and then we are gonna get the engine timed. We're gonna put our chain on there with the guides and everything. Do the little tensioner thing. And what else? We put the cover on, put all our pulleys on, the belt on. You know, lube this up real nice before I put the cover back on. We're waiting on the turbo from RV6. So I sent it in to get fixed. They emailed me. They said the turbo looks fine. They said they sent it off to a fucking turbo company to dig into it more. So hopefully, I mean, if it's good, it's good. You know what I mean? Send that shit back, guys. So we're going to get that bitch on here. And gasket kit's coming in today. That's why we paused yesterday. So I need all these little O-rings. It comes with the timing cover, the seal on the timing cover. It comes with everything. All the gasket, exhaust gaskets and everything. So we're just going to change everything. You know what I mean? I have it, so when I use it. But yeah, that's the update so far, man. But yeah, the cams are pretty fucking easy. So when you take it off, there's like a cover here. You gotta take the cover off, and there's like a vacuum pump and a housing. You gotta take the pump off and the housing, and then that'll give you. Then you can pull this off. And you take the cam caps off, pull the cams out. You break this loose. Take the cover off with these Torx bits, and then there's a limiting pin that the 4-piston provides. You got to put that in, put it back together, and put it all back in. It's pretty fucking easy. If y'all want a DIY, I can probably make a DIY video, but I'm not really big on making DIY videos, man. I'm updating you guys so you guys have something fun to watch. But yeah, everything nice and shiny, fresh and new. Alright, so we're not fucking around. I'm making sure everything is clean, making sure I do everything by the book, torque specs, torque sequences, everything is proper because we need this to go smoothly, man. So anybody see anything that I'm fucking up, doing wrong, please let me know.